Hey guys, so remember I was telling you that I want to try different foods from Japan and Japan markets. So one of the things is like true ramen, and so I got the recipes from them, and I bought their, it's called black pepper oil garlic ramen, which I thought it was unique. And in here, I put tofu. I have boiled egg here, and then I have chopped scallions and cilantro and regular onions. So I just boiled that together. I'm gonna eat the ramen with the chopsticks. I know this is a kid spoon, but I feel like the bigger spoons that they have that kind of look like a little ladle, they're too big for me, so I like this style. And then I have just a regular drink. This is by Pure Leaf. It's the cherry hibiscus. So, and it's caffeine free. I love this one. I should have had a Japanese drink as well, but I don't have one currently. So we're just trying the ramen today. So let's see how this goes. This is hot, so I have to be careful. It smells delicious. Wow. Wow, that's really good. So what I did, because I know the ramen is like really high in sodium, and I don't really like that much salt in my food. I only used half the packet of the soup base, but I did use all the black oil that it came with. It almost looked like a really thick version of like soy sauce. Wow, this is really good. I'm gonna try. Dropping noodles all over the place. Sorry, I'll clean that up later. I'm gonna try the tofu. So I tried the tofu before I put it in the tofu before I put it into the soup, and it really had no flavor, at least to me, because there's like hardly any sodium or anything in it. This one, it's a soybean base. And this one is, there's different consistencies, which I never knew. When I went to the market, they had soft, medium. I actually got, because I don't like really soft textures, so I got extra firm. So let's see how this goes. Wow. I like that. That's a completely different flavor now that it's like absorbed the flavor of the soup. And I love eggs, so I know I'm gonna love the egg, because I do a lot of like egg drop soup, or even when like I'm not feeling well, if I don't want to have like chicken, I drop an egg in it. So I'm gonna cut it open with the spoon so like that you can see what it looks like in the inside. So you can see. I'm gonna bring it close. There it goes. So the egg wasn't completely cooked all the way, because that's how I like it. I like it that just the bit of the center, not the whole thing is runny. That I don't like. So you can see that the center is just a bit like underdone, but the rest of it is completely cooked. Let me try the broth. Yeah. I like the fact that it's not too salty. I'm glad I went very light-handed with the soup base, because if I would have put the whole thing in there, it would have been, to me, for my liking, it would have been too salty. Oh, the egg is amazing. Guys, definitely give this a try. I'm going to throw up a photo of what the packaging looks like, so you guys can definitely try this. A definite win, because I feel like, finish spelling first. I feel like when you try ramen, just like regular ramen in the supermarket, you have like chicken flavor, shrimp flavor, It's like really basic flavors. But when you go to like the Asian markets, there's so many varieties of flavors. I even found, because I have a like I have like a Google Translate that I take a photo of or I hover over with my camera over the wording, because a lot of times everything, either I realize the translation doesn't translate well into English, or some of them don't have any English translation at all. So I feel like this helps me when I go to the market, because sometimes when I go to the market in Flushing, sometimes I don't find people that speak English, so they're looking at me like a little confused. I almost took a ramen that I thought was, it looked like a unique style of beef, but thank God I had I was able to translate it, and it was actually lung flavor. I don't know the lung of what animal, but then when I looked at it, then I realized it was I thought it was beef, but when I looked at the shape of it, then I realized, I was like, oh. So like I said, you can find really unique flavors. This one, I've never seen this flavor of ramen in my supermarket. What's another? They have like they have like squid flavors. I mean, all types, things that are unique. I feel like if you want to try something new, go out and have an adventure. I mean, we're still like in this pandemic that everything isn't open, and in my house I've cooked all styles and varieties of food, and it's nice sometimes that, you know, you could be right in the comfort of your own home trying things that are new. So wherever you guys are at, you know, try something new, have an adventure at home, okay? Thanks for watching my channel, and please leave a like, comment, or subscribe. Make sure you give me a little heart. Bye guys.